Morning everyone, my name is Srivastava. I'm studying in 6th standard KB school. Today I am presenting a topic about entering data in Excel. Control place semicolon. Control place semicolon. It will come date. Control place shift place semicolon. It will come time. January. We will drag to will come months. October to automatically fill. Thank you.